everybody? Good morning. Yes, beta. Yes, beta, mute your microphone. Okay, everybody, good morning. It's a very good morning to Shankolon. Okay, because you are wearing the school dress nicely and I have seen you very nice. So now, everybody good morning, okay? Okay, now stop your front camera, okay. Today, I will start that tenses, okay? The grammar portion. Actually, last day I have taken the class of has, had and have, the offline classes. It is very small chapter. Today, grammar book, page number 48. Page number 48. Grammar book and grammar, and besides that, please open your copy. Okay? Simple present tense. Simple present tense. Copy first, then after book. Okay? Because I will tell you something, please write also in your copy, because tense is very important. Tense is very important for you. First, I am writing tense. Okay, tense. What is the tense? Actually, it is an action depending on time. Okay, action depending on time. So here, like this, that some periods, tense, actually we are getting that 3 types: present, past and future. Please know this: past, present and future. Past means before that time. Before. Like that history you are reading that, or story, your grandmother, your mother is telling story. Once upon a time there was a prince. That is the past. Present, now. Whatever we are doing, that is present. Whatever we are doing, that is present. Present tense. Whatever we are doing, this period of time, that is present tense. And future tense, next. Please mute your microphone. Who is not muting? Let me see. Linoy, please mute your microphone. Always I am just muting. Priyanka Ghosh. Again, Linoy. Okay. Then, Ishan, you cannot see me. But anybody? Priyanka, can you see me? Ronak, can you see me? Okay. But where are you, Ronak? Yes, Ronak, Priyanka, Wendrila, Moyuk Shamanto, Moyuk Mondal, Linoy Shah, Ishan Hajra. Very less present in your class. So many students are there. 26 students are there. Why 9 students are present? I could not understand. Okay, Priyanka, if you cannot see, or Ishan, if you cannot see me, once you leave, then again you will join. Okay, beta? Because Shankolan is seeing me, Priyanka is seeing me, you are having some problem. So please. So, one thing, future. Future means next day or tomorrow. That's next time. Then. tomorrow, next year, always that time. It will happen after. Here before, here after. So that is future. Past time means before that what happened? Any action happened in the past, that is called past tense. But action is now happening in the present, that is action. You know that action what? Some verbs. So action is now, whatever happening, that is present tense, and action will be happening in the next time or afterwards, that is past. Okay, that is the past. The future tense. Action will be going happening in the next time, that will be future tense. Okay, so now Ishan, can you see me? So the tense will see past, present and future. Only these things please remember. Past means before, future means next, after, and also present means now. So you are having present tense, simple present tense. But all this present tense, today I will discuss about the present tense. So present means I am just telling now. There are 4 types of tenses. Present tense. 4 types of present tense. First one, simple present tense. Next one, present continuous. Third one, perfect. Present perfect. Perfect. And fourth one, perfect continuous. Perfect continuous. Simple S-I-M-P-L-E, continuous, present continuous, C-O-N-T-I-N-U-O-U-S. Then third one, perfect, present perfect, P-E-R-F-E-C-T. Then fourth one, perfect continuous tense. There are 4 types of present tense. All the tenses have 4 types. Past also, simple past, past continuous, past perfect continuous. Besides that, again, also we are having future. Future perfect continuous, future simple future continuous, future perfect continuous. So please only remember now present tense. Simple present, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. Here, tell me. Continuous, after that nothing is there, but that is another. Here continuous, here number 3. Actually here there is no, perfect is number 3 and number 4 is here. Another line I have made it. Nothing is there, okay. F-E-C-T, perfect, present perfect and present perfect continuous. Number 4. Number 1, I will tell, but please, perfect means proper, but here another meaning is there. Okay. Number 1, simple, present. I will tell afterwards when that tense will come. Simple present, present continuous. Please beta mute your microphone. Then number 3, present perfect. Number 4, perfect continuous tense. So these 4 type of present tense is there. One thing I will teach you today, the simple present tense. So I am just rubbing this, and simple present tense where we can put. First one, number 1, please remember universal truth. Universal truth. What is universal truth? And number 2, habitual action. That also I am just telling. Universal truth, that is always simple present tense, and another name is that present indefinite. Present indefinite. Here I am just writing indefinite. Here, that's why we are using universal truth. Universal truth, if I am giving example, means it is forever, eternal truth. That will never change. Universal truth means that will never change. Like this, the sun rises in the east. Will it change? No. Tell me. Yes, obviously first I have just told that please write in the copy. And the first time I am telling, if you cannot write now, also write. From the YouTube also you can write. This is very important. Sun rises in the east. Sun rises in the east. It will not change. It will not change. Sun sets in the west. Earth revolves around. And the sun revolves around the sun. Earth revolves around the sun. Will it change? It will not change. Okay. So this is universal truth. That is example, universal truth. The sun rises in the east. Will it change? No, it will not change. Next one, that habitual action. Habitual action. Number 2, habitual action means it is also habitual action. Habitual action means every day what we are doing. Or regularly, every day what we are doing, that is called habitual action. I go to school. I go to school daily. I wake up in the morning. That is habitual action, also simple present tense. Every day or regularly, whatever we are doing, that is simple present tense. Regularly or every day what we are doing, that is that. Regularly or every day we are doing, that is simple present tense. What happened? Yes. I am just telling, I have seen that someone is sharing the screen. Please don't share. Who is BS? I could not understand. Please don't share it. Okay? Okay. So, now it is like this. I go to school daily. I wake up in the morning. Okay? So, that is habitual action. So, verb form everybody know. I go. We go, you go, he goes, like this, and you go, they go. That is the verb form. Okay, beta? So that is the thing of simple present tense. Now, I after no S, you after no S, we also know S, you know that he or she, Ram, Sham, always we are adding S or ES. Okay, you will get in the YouTube class. Okay, no problem for that, beta. Listen, again I am just writing I go, we go, you go, he goes, she goes, or they go, So that is the thing. So here singular form he, she, s or es we should add. So now grammar book only one page I will do. Page number 48. You can do by yourself, no problem for that. Page number, here I like ice cream, Shilpi likes vegetable soup, a washerman washes clothes, birds fly in the sky. Birds, that is plural number. But number B, we can tick it. Number B, I greet. Whatever, tick, greet. Number 2, you make. Number 3, she keeps. Number 4, my father plays. Because singular number. Number 5, the child likes. And number 6, children usually want. Children usually want. So this is the thing of simple present tense. Next page, number 7, Mr. Keller. Mr. Keller does, because present, this is singular. Number 8, spiders. Spiders catch. Number 9, tortoise. Please mute your microphone. Tortoise moves. Number 10, mangoes. Test. Then actually fill in the blanks is there. So these things I will not do. You will do. Tomorrow I will give the offline videos. That time I can do. And also here I can tell you, you can do also. Ankita drinks a glass of milk before she goes. Mr. and Mrs. Reddy love. 2 persons are there, so love. Dogs. Dogs wag. Plural wag. She writes, W-R-I-T-E-S. They park. Mrs. Mehra changes. She switches off. You tell very funny jokes. We throw bits of paper in the dustbin. Manan hits the ball very hard. So if you don't understand anything, please write me to my portal. And thank you, beta. Have a nice day. Please give your present. 8 people are there. Those who are, please give the present. Only P you should write. Ishan Hajra, Linoy Shahai, Mouk Mondal, Moyuk Shamanto, Indrila Chatterjee, Priyanka Ghosh, Raunak Khetri, Shankalan Chaudhary. Okay, beta. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye, beta.